the aggregate of countless independent decisions, we see the potential for creativity and the potential for abuse. But two things that I think might be worth focusing on in the remainder of our time would be, one, the issue of, that's already been raised, the issue of aggregate. By definition, people need it, and so it recirculates in the economy, and it has an effect of boosting aggregate demand and helping the economy grow. But the thing is, the way we measure our progress as a country is not just where the stock market is. It's not just how well the folks at the top are doing. It's not just about the aggregate economic numbers. So, in the aggregate, when you look at the country as a whole, by pretty much every measure, the economy is doing better than it was when I came into office, and in most cases, significantly better. Our broader economy, in the aggregate, has come a long way. But the gains of recovery are not yet broadly shared, or at least not broadly shared enough.
Is the state of Black Americans as we talk about those issues, as well as race relations in this country?
Like the rest of America, Black America in the aggregate is better off now than it was when I came into office. Growth cannot just be measured by the aggregate.
In 2013, the total aggregate direct investments from the U.S. in Brazil came to $116 billion.
Growth rate, and compared with the aggregate economic strength, the increase, the absolute increase of the economy is equivalent to the size of a middle-sized economy.
We're in this really interesting moment where generally Congress is thoroughly unproductive, not, by the way, because of the members of Congress who are here, but who are all doing great work. But in the aggregate, it's not doing much. And in the face of such rising uncertainty, it is not enough to look at aggregate growth rates or stock prices or the pace of digital innovation.
If you could aggregate all the cancer data in one spot, imagine the capacity of being able to analyze all of it to find patterns and why a particular therapy works on you but not on me, works on one patient and not another.